Hello, this is Haley Rogan, and I will be going over a build we are doing right now in Tech 9. This build deals with an Arduino Uno. An Arduino is an open source computer hardware and software company project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices and interactive objects that can sense and control objects in the physical world. There are 6 different components to this build, and I will be going over them in this video. The first part of this big project was the guided build. There were 10 builds, starting with a very simple build, and every build after that got slightly more difficult. The second part was the research. Mr. Hampton wanted us to know what we wanted to do before we started to build our student project. So after we finished our 10 student builds, we had to do a little research. The third component of this project was to find a real-world problem that we could solve by using our Arduino Unos. I had a lot of good ideas for this. The fourth thing we had to do was fritz our blueprint, our student build, once we knew what we were going to do. We had to use a software called fritzing to blueprint our designs. The fifth thing we had to do was code what we wanted our Arduino to do. You could either write your own code or copy someone else's. If you copied someone else's, though, you would get less points than someone who decided to code their own. The last and final thing that we had to do was actually build our student build. It wasn't as easy as it sounds. If you accidentally didn't put one thing in the right spot, nothing would work. This took the most time out of all 6 steps. So that's it. That is what we've been doing for the past 2 months.